I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Ineos Grenadier, a first-generation model that has been turning heads since its launch in 2022. This rugged off-roader draws inspiration from classic British icons like the Land Rover Defender, boasting a ladder-frame chassis and solid axles for unbeatable durability on tough terrains. Priced starting from around £59,000 in the United Kingdom, it promises adventure without compromising on that old-school charm, but like any vehicle, it comes with its share of quirks. Let us start with the positives to set the stage fairly. The Grenadier excels in off-road prowess, thanks to its BMW-sourced 3-litre inline-six engine that delivers 346 brake horsepower in the petrol variant, making it a beast for muddy trails and steep inclines. Its modular design allows for easy customization, which is a boon for enthusiasts who love tinkering, and the interior, while Spartan, offers surprising comfort with heated seats and modern infotainment. However, no car is perfect, and the Grenadier has some notable weaknesses that owners in the UK have reported. One of the top issues revolves around electrical wiring, which can be prone to faults due to the vehicle's utilitarian build and exposure to harsh weather. Early models have seen glitches in the wiring harness, leading to intermittent failures in lights, sensors, or even the central locking system, often requiring dealer visits for rewiring or software updates. Rust protection is another major weak point that has frustrated many Grenadier drivers. Despite its galvanized chassis, the body panels and undercarriage can develop rust spots quicker than expected, especially in the salty winter roads of the United Kingdom. Owners recommend regular underbody washes and aftermarket rust-proofing treatments to mitigate this, but it is a reminder that this car's rugged appeal demands proactive maintenance. Moving on to the third weakness, let us talk about fuel efficiency, or rather the lack thereof. With a real-world consumption hovering around 20 miles per gallon for the diesel version, it guzzles fuel like a thirsty explorer, which can sting at UK pumps where diesel prices often exceed £1.50 per litre. On the bright side, its torque-rich engine provides effortless towing capability, making it ideal for hauling trailers or boats without breaking a sweat. The fourth common complaint centers on suspension and ride quality. While the live axles shine off-road, they translate to a bumpy experience on paved British motorways, where the Grenadier feels less refined than rivals like the Toyota Land Cruiser. Some drivers praise the optional adaptive dampers for smoothing things out, but base models can feel jarring over potholes, highlighting a trade-off between adventure readiness and everyday comfort. Finally, in our top 5 weaknesses, we have interior ergonomics and build quality inconsistencies. The cabin, though functional, has been criticized for cheap-feeling plastics and awkward switchgear placement, which can be fiddly during long drives. That said, the Grenadier's no-nonsense layout appeals to purists, and recent updates have improved assembly standards, reducing rattles and enhancing overall refinement. Beyond these issues, it is worth noting the Grenadier's strong points in reliability for core components. The BMW powertrain is proven and robust, often outlasting expectations in demanding conditions. And the vehicle's high ground clearance of 265mm makes it a champion for UK countryside escapades. Warranty coverage of 5 years or 100,000 miles provides peace of mind, though some owners report delays in parts availability due to the brand's relative newness. Electrical problems, as mentioned, often stem from exposed wiring in the engine bay, vulnerable to water ingress during fording or heavy rain. In the damp British climate, this can lead to dashboard warning lights or even complete system shutdowns, prompting costly diagnostics at authorized Ineos centers. Fortunately, community forums suggest simple fixes like sealing grommets can prevent escalation, turning a potential nightmare into a minor annoyance. Rust woes are exacerbated by the Grenadier's boxy design, which traps road grime in hard-to-reach areas. UK owners in coastal regions, like those in Cornwall or Scotland, report faster corrosion on door sills and wheel arches, but applying wax-based protectors annually can extend the body's life. It is a testament to the car's heritage, built for endurance, yet requiring the owner's vigilance to shine. Fuel inefficiency might deter city dwellers, but for rural adventurers, it is a fair price for the Grenadier's go-anywhere attitude. Pair it with the optional roof rack and winch, and you have a vehicle that laughs at flooded lanes or rocky paths, far outperforming sleeker SUVs in versatility. Just budget accordingly, as running costs could add up to several £1,000s yearly in fuel alone. Suspension gripes often highlight the Grenadier's bias towards off-road fun over on-road poise. Test drives on twisty B roads reveal body roll that can unsettle novice drivers. Yet this same setup provides exceptional articulation for climbing obstacles. Upgrading to the Trailmaster Edition, starting at about £65,000, includes locking differentials that elevate its capabilities even further. Interior shortcomings include a lack of premium materials compared to luxury competitors, but the Grenadier's charm lies in its authenticity. No pretentious bells and whistles here. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, integrating Apple CarPlay seamlessly for navigation on UK sat-nav apps. Owners who embrace its minimalist vibe find it refreshing, a throwback to simpler motoring eras. In terms of overall ownership, the Grenadier scores high on resale value, holding steady around 80% of its original price after 3 years, thanks to its niche appeal. Community support is growing, with UK clubs organising off-road events that foster a sense of camaraderie. It is not for everyone, but for those who prioritise capability over comfort, it delivers in spades. Let us circle back to electrical wiring as a persistent headache. Reports from Grenadier forums indicate that faulty ground connections can cause battery drain or erratic behavior in the four-wheel drive system. Proactive owners suggest regular inspections, especially after off-road jaunts, to catch issues early and avoid breakdowns in remote areas. Rust protection demands attention, particularly on the aluminium bonnet and steel frame junctions, where electrolysis can accelerate degradation. Ineos offers touch-up kits, but many opt for professional ceramic coatings costing around £500. This investment pays off, preserving the vehicle's tough exterior for years of reliable service. While fuel efficiency lags, the diesel option's 620 Nm of torque makes light work of heavy loads, perfect for farmers or tradespeople. Eco-conscious drivers might explore the upcoming hydrogen variant, but for now, it is a guzzler that rewards with performance. Balancing this, the Grenadier's low emissions in urban crawl mode help it comply with UK clean air zones. Suspension tuning, while firm, contributes to the car's legendary stability on uneven ground, a feature lauded by expedition enthusiasts. Critics note vibrations at highway speeds, but adding sound-deadening mats can enhance cabin quietness. It is a compromise that underscores the Grenadier's purpose-built ethos. Ergonomics improve with custom accessories, like aftermarket armrests, transforming the Spartan interior into something more livable. The high seating position offers commanding views, ideal for navigating busy London traffic or rural lanes. Ultimately, it is a car that grows on you, flaws and all. In conclusion, the Ineos Grenadier suits adventurous souls who crave a no-frills off-roader for the UK's diverse landscapes. From the Highlands to the Cotswolds, think farmers, explorers or weekend warriors willing to overlook minor niggles for unmatched capability. It is less ideal for urban commuters seeking refinement or efficiency, but for those embracing its raw spirit, it is a worthy investment starting at £59,000. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.